Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares, and today we're going to be making a rag blanket. In this clip, we're going to talk about choosing our fabrics that we're going to work with. I like quilts that are in the same family. This one has a clouds theme and it's blue for a little boy, obviously. Lots of similar colors. The one we're going to be working on today is going to be all out of pastels and use a little flowers in it, so it's going to be a little more girly. Like I said previously, I like to use receiving blankets. So we've gone through and picked out a number of these receiving blankets that we have that we're done with, and we're going to use those. But you can also use yardage from the fabric store. So here's a piece of yardage that we could incorporate if we chose, and it's just plain flannel yardage. And you want to use flannel because that's what gives you this soft look when it washes, and it's also what makes it so soft for the child to be up against their skin.